If you're a speaker, you should be capturing video of yourself presenting. Maybe just to watch and improve, but also to start building a speaker reel that you can share to get more speaking gigs. In this video, I'm going to share the best affordable camera that I've found to record yourself speaking. Just to be clear, I'm talking about DIY here. If you're serious about speaking, you should hire a professional to videotape you every once in a while. But you can capture a lot of your gigs yourself and then hire a professional editor to mash it all together into an impressive speaking reel. The camera that I love for this is the Canon Vixia HF-R800. This is a camera that you can set up on a tripod in the back of the room and then zoom way in to capture a close-up if you're talking at a podium. Or you can zoom out and show the crowd size. And if you have a helper, that person can compose a bunch of different shots during one speech. The R800 uses SD cards to record video. The slightly more expensive R80 has some built-in memory too, so if you're the type of person that constantly loses small things, that might be a better bet. It has a touchscreen display that pivots out so that you can see and frame yourself while the camera is running. But I recommend having someone stand in at the podium or at the stage to frame the shot if you're on your own. Just be sure to choose someone that's the same height. The R800 also has an external microphone jack. You can plug in a wireless lavalier, or you can even plug into the soundboard if you're using a microphone for amplification in the space. I'll post another video about how to do that. If you've followed me for any amount of time, you know that I love filming with the iPhone, but I just couldn't figure out how to get a decent speaking video with an iPhone. It was either too far away and zooming made it pixelated, or it was looking directly up at me from the front row. I also love how beautiful the video looks on my DSLR, but these typically have recording limits of 12 or 30 minutes, so it would cut off mid-speech. So that's why I love this guy. I've got a link down in the description if you're interested in buying a camcorder to record your public speeches. And if you want to use YouTube to speak from the world's largest stage, that's what I do. I help coaches, authors, and speakers reach a global audience on YouTube. Head over to my website to schedule a free 20-minute phone call to see if I'm a good match for your business.